Guys, this is my newest idea or project, and it's a light and rain sensor, and here are a few infrared LEDs and a camera module and a film to protect the camera from daylight. The camera records only the infrared. So this 8 infrared LEDs illuminating the outside of the windshield, and the camera records the windshield, and a Python script or software detects if it's dirt or rain. Yes, and these two thingies here are light sensors for the front, and we have here another 2 sensors for the inside. So that means when the outside is dark or when it's night, the dashboard will dim the brightness to a minimum. Or another function is when a car is on the street, this module registers or detects the light, and the dashboard electronic can then automatically switch from high beam light to normal headlights. So it's a rain sensor and a brightness sensor, and the rest does the dashboard electronics. Yes, you can do what you want with the data. You can maybe you can trigger an audio file when it starts to rain. Then K.I.T.T says, oh, it starts raining or something, and stuff like this. Yes, and this is my newest idea: a rain and light sensor for the windshield.